Beyond Bliss. I am Jayashree and today's video is very special because I've collaborated with EHA Herbs. Now EHA Herbs is a very nice and special Indian Ayurvedic skincare brand, and whenever it comes to skincare, I personally prefer 100% organic products and which are completely chemical free, and that's what their brand is all about. It is founded by Dr. Manjari Joshi. She's an Ayurvedic doctor and she's in the field for around 22 years. She's also a part of the National Ayurvedic Medical Association USA. So it's huge and her products are completely tried and tested out, and I got so happy when they decided to collaborate with me, and I got to try the products for a week so that I could let you all know how do they work on my skin. And the best part is they're suitable for all skin types. So I'm very excited to share this with you all. They have also come up with amazing winter hampers. They had a great sell-off about the Diwali hampers, and now it's time for the winter hampers at discounted rates, so that's really great. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Also give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's go. So guys, coming to the very first product of winters that we all love and are obsessed with, lip balms. Now we carry lip balms everywhere. We have got so many of them. We keep using them throughout the day. But whenever it comes to me and most of the people, we prefer using natural lip balms because other lip balms out there have got artificial flavors and are scented. So we prefer natural lip balms as they actually show results on your lips. So when I got this, I used this the very first time and I was obsessed, you guys. Since then, it's been a week. I haven't stopped using this. I also use this below my lipsticks because it keeps my lips so well, nicely and hydrated. And let me tell you all, this is a strawberry flavor lip balm. Comes with a seal like this so that it is nicely protected. And this is what it looks like. So it has got a very nice strawberry milkshake scent because they have used real strawberries in this, so when you apply you'll feel like eating it and it won't be a problem because it is completely organic. So that doesn't mean you ate it entirely, okay? Go make your own strawberry milkshake. So definitely you have to try this out. The packaging is cute, it's nice and golden, so it looks very nice and pretty, and I really enjoyed this, and this is like 100% recommended from my side. You have to try out this lip balm because I am clearly obsessed with it. So now guys, coming to another essential product of winter season, and that is a face moisturizer. Now face moisturizers are something that are very important, and each and every skin type needs to apply a moisturizer to their skin because during the winter season the weather outside, it sucks out all the moisture and makes your skin look very dull, and it doesn't look pleasant, you know. So applying a good moisturizer that doesn't make your face look extremely oily also is very important. So I came across this, and this is a very nice product because it is completely organic and Ayurvedic. It works out really well on your skin. It provides enough moisturizer for around 4 to 5 hours, and even oily girls can, men also can use it, not a problem. So when you open it, it has a very nice pleasant fragrance to it, and it looks like this. Now when you apply it, it feels like balm-like, as if you're applying balm to your skin, massaging it onto your skin nice and gently, and you will find it kind of greasy when you apply it at first, but then once it gets absorbed into your skin looks so nice and healthy and moisturized that you can wear this under makeup as well because it is kind of balm like. It feels like a primer on your skin, so it has got a very nice effect about it, and I really liked it, you know. And plus what I like is this makes your skin feel very soft, so you know, it's very easy to use and it's completely organic and everything, so why not try it? I didn't have any side effects after using this for like a week. So guys, this is a magical product. I haven't seen something like this. I haven't tried anything like this. So let me tell you all, it is very important for you to exfoliate your skin at least once a week and maximum twice, and get rid of all the dead skin cell build-up and all the blackheads and everything to make your skin look nice and new. So guys, trust me, this product, Herbal Scrub Pack, is magical. Now why am I calling it magical? Because obviously, like every other person, I also test a product before applying it on my face. So here also they mention please patch test it because a lot of natural ingredients might not suit you, so you will have to test it first. So what I did was I applied this on half section of my hand and I scrubbed it gently I scrubbed it gently, and literally guys, when I washed it off, I was like, what? It made my hand look so nice and clear. Now my this portion is burnt because during my college time I used to drive scooty and it got badly suntan. Since then I'm trying to get rid of the darkness of my hand because this is what is visible to everybody. Okay, so when I tried this, it almost removed most of the darkness, and I was shocked and stunned. I was like, this is crazy, like how magical this felt like. So I tried it on my other hand entirely and I saw the instant result. Now yeah, it is kind of shocking being a natural product, it is showing something instant, but there's something magical in this that is working miracles on my skin. So I was like, okay, now let's apply this on my face as well. So I tried it out on my face and it made my skin feel so nice and smooth, and plus guys, this contains rose in it. So I'll just show you how it looks like first. So it has got powder like this. So what you need to do is take a little and then activate it with water. So what I prefer doing is I wet my face and then apply this on my skin, or you can take a bowl and pour this in that with some water and apply it. And you know what guys, another best thing about this product is that when you wash it off, usually with scrubs your skin feels stretched and dry. With this you will have a complete moisturized skin. Like it's as if it has got some moisturizer inside of it, which works beautifully and makes your skin look nice, smooth and even. So guys, after using a face scrub, it is very important for you to use a face mask so that it provides all the nutrients that your pores need and plus close them up. So they have come up with this herbal glow pack. Now this is something that I tried twice this week, and guys, trust me, this made my skin look even toned, like really even toned and really soft and smooth, and plus I could see the glow. Now glow doesn't mean that you're going to shine out like that. No, it means your skin looks healthy from within. So this worked really nice. I know you might feel I'm saying only good things about the brand, but these products are actually working, you guys. With 1 week they are showing results, like genuine results. So I tried this. You're supposed to apply this for 15 minutes on your skin and let it stay and then wash it off. I did feel a tingling sensation after 13 minutes, and that is because the products are working on your skin. Once you get used to all these ingredients, the burning sensation stops. So this again is in powder form. So it looks like this. So you have to activate it by applying water. Don't put water directly in this and create a paste. Put it in the cap or use some other bowl that you have and pour a little and then add water in it, or directly with your wet face apply this and then massage it into your skin and let it stay. The fragrance is very mild, and you know, you will feel very refreshing after using this. So definitely try it out. So guys, most of us prefer a very healthy, happy feet. So for that, they have a very nice foot cream. Now this contains cow ghee, sesame oil, coconut oil and other things. If you're vegan, then this is not for you. But otherwise, see guys, we wear heels and everything and we don't want cracks to show. We want our feet to look nice and healthy when you walk bare feet around or anywhere. So this is very good. So what I like to do is I like to apply this all over my feet at night, and then I put a socks on and sleep, and I wake up with the most beautifully hydrated looking feet. Now this, because it contains ghee, it actually looks like ghee and it feels like ghee. So this is what it looks like. So you just take it off. So this is what it looks like. It's very nice and ghee-like. It smells, the fragrance is also like ghee, but it's pleasant. It's not like you're actually applying a ghar ka ghee to it. So you can feel that there is something else added to this. So it feels very nice. The texture is nice. Definitely it is going to feel a little oily at first because it contains a lot of things. But for your feet to look nice and hydrated and healthy in the morning, apply this at night, wear a socks and you're good to go. So guys, EHA Herbs soaps are their USP. So they sent me their Panch Amrit soap. Now, oh my god, like literally when I opened the box, the fragrance of it just popped out. It was so nice and pleasant. Now it comes in a packaging like this. So this is a bag, and over here they have written EHA Herbs Beyond Cosmetics. It is a 100-gram soap bar. Now I have tried it, so I'll just show it to you all. So it comes with a covering like this, where they have mentioned everything about the soap. So here they say it is a perfect Ayurvedic traditional blend of milk, ghee, honey, curd and sugar, and is beneficial to nourish and nurture the skin in traditional way, ideal for all skin types. So this is what it looks like, and when you're bathing with it, it feels like you're having a milk shower. Literally, it will feel like somebody's pouring milk on you. It feels that good, and it makes you feel so nice and refreshing. And guys, trust me, during winter seasons you need something moisturizing and healthy for your skin. So why work only for your face? You need to apply and take care of your entire body, and most of us forget to apply moisturizers and everything. So at least if you're showering, you need to use something that gives you enough moisture throughout the day. So this is something that is very pleasant, very mild, very gentle, very smooth. The grip is nice so that it doesn't fall off. So I really like it, and the best part, the feeling that I'm having a milk shower feels amazing, trust me. So also guys, these products are completely tried and tested by me. This is not at all a sponsored video. They sent me their product to try out, and I'm really happy with the results. And because I'm a huge natural skincare lover, I thought I have to share this with you guys and let you all know how these products work. I'm running a giveaway on my YouTube channel. You can check the link right above. The video is right there. It's a nice beautiful lavender makeup look, and all the rules and everything are mentioned down in the description box below or that video. So definitely check it out. It will also pop up at the end of this video. So yeah,